Hi, my name is Janice, and in this video, I'm going to go over a few tasks that you can do in your Azure portal when it comes to working with Azure Active Directory. We had a great session today with Ryan and the ladies, and he's teaching us a lot of things concerning Azure. So today we focused on Azure Active Directory. We were able to create users and groups and assign users roles. We learned how to delete and we learned how to work in the command line. Um, Bash shell and PowerShell. And so I'm not going to go over everything that we did, but I am going to show you just a few quick tasks that you can do. So what is Azure Active Directory? Azure Active Directory is Microsoft's cloud-based IAM service, identity and access management. And so it's a great way to manage user access to cloud applications. And so you want to give your users access, you want to be able to manage it. This is how you can do it. So we'll start by, we're in our portal, going to Azure Active Directory. We're going to start by creating a user. You would click on New User. And if you scroll down, let's get rid of this. Right here, you're just going to put your username. I'm going to put test user. And you would just put any name, whatever name, maybe your boss is giving you a name to add as a user in Azure Active Directory. So you would put that here. So I'm going to just add that very quickly. I'm going to let it auto-generate a password. You can create one. Um, I would do so with a strong, secure passphrase when you're generating this. Then you would just scroll down. Here it gives you additional details. You can enter the job title, the department, company name. For this instance, I'm not going to add anything, and this is create under here. Actually, if I move this out the way, we'll hit create, and you can see how it was successfully created. Okay, and you can also go into it and update it by editing it as necessary. We're going to do that same thing, but we're going to do it from the command line now. All right, so AZ for Azure Active Directory, we're going to be creating a user, display name. I'm going to put test user 2, okay, give it a password. I'm just going to put password for this example, and then this will assign it a principal name, which will be the email. So I'll put test user 2. And then if you want to grab the domain, you can actually go back to users. It's actually going to be right here, and you can copy that and add that. All right, when we hit enter, okay, and we should be able to verify that by going into users. So sometimes it takes a while to create, but if you hit refresh, you'll see that test user 2 is there. So that's perfect. Okay, and you can do the same thing for a group. So if we go back, our group, we can create a new group. I'll put marketing. Okay, and then we're just going to hit create, refresh it. Let's refresh it a few times. And you'll see that it's there. Let's do the same thing.